Hi, it's me. Oh my god, my wig is so ass. No, it's not like. I think I need to, yeah, I don't know. But today, I have to, cook food, dinner for my dad. So, yeah, in this video, I'll do that. Um, I, I'm in this Miku cosplay because, like, just now, I showed my Pookie my cosplay, like without the mask, and yeah, but now I'm in the mask. Damn, messy. But yeah, today we are gonna cook salmon with rice. So yeah, damn, why the fuck am I so fat? God damn. But yeah, we're gonna cook food for me and my dad, because yeah. Okay, so let's start. First, we're gonna start with rice. Yeah, we got the bowl. You know how this shit works. Yo, rice. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I might need 1.5 cups of rice. So, yeah. Yep. So now I'll be washing the rice. So yeah. But I think for that I gotta take off my sleeves, so that they don't get wet while I, clean the rice. Oh my god. Damn, without the sleeves it looks so weird, bro, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it right now. So by the way, how are y'all doing? Like, you good? Like, I hope your day was good and all so far, I guess. Yeah, today it's Friday, and yeah, next week on Thursday, it will be the last day of school. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. Like finally school's over, and yeah, and then we have summer break, and yeah, I'll be going on vacation. Does that sentence? Is that sentence like? Excuse my grammar, I guess. But yeah, today we didn't really do much, what did we do today? So, today we went to like some church, like to a church from Gottesdienst type shit. I don't know, like mass? Is it that? I don't know, but yeah, we were at church, you know, the Gottesdienst, yeah. I don't know. Suddenly, the weirdest thing happened. Like, I don't know. Like, suddenly, some music started playing, and then this one song, like, Happy, I think it's called, played. You know that one song that goes like, because I'm happy. Yeah, that song. Yeah, that song played, you know, and like I was surprised. Like I was like, what the fuck is going on? Why the hell is music playing? And yeah, some people started laughing, including me, of course. Yeah, like some teachers, like the teachers were talking about, you know, like laughter and stuff like that, like the science behind laughter, basically. I was like, okay. Maybe to you it doesn't make sense, but like, yeah, I'll put a better like explanation in the description, okay? But yeah, like the teachers were talking about like, you know, laughter and like the science behind it, you know, because like for example, just like a simple laugh, you know, like that contains like lots of muscle, like facial muscle. I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, to be honest, like I low key tried to you know, rest, like sleep, you know, take a nap because I felt kind of tired, you know, I felt kind of tired. Yeah, I don't know. So I wanted to kind of sleep, but yeah, I was still awake because I still wanted to hear what the teacher said, you know, like maybe it might be interesting, I don't know. What else? Yeah, and then another song, like 3 songs played, like I think the first one Happy, and then like that one Pink Panther like song, like you know, like it suddenly played and I was like, what the fuck is going on? Like I think this was their intention because like it was so random, and that's why it was like low-key funny, you know, and it fit the theme, you know, the science behind laughter, like okay, but and then the third song, like don't worry, be happy, something like that, I don't know, type shit. Yeah, bro, my Pookie was sitting next to me, right, and then she can't hold her laughter, like she had to cover her face and her nose to not make a sound, you know, and then like I don't know, I was looking at her like, bitch, you okay? And yeah, like the whole thing was kind of funny and low-key weird, but yeah, and like a religion teacher in our school retired, you know, like next school year she isn't going to be in our school anymore. Yeah, she always was like, you know, religion teacher, you know, she like taught about like, you know, Christianity mostly, but yeah, for like at least 24 years or something. 24 Jahre. Did she say did he say 24 or 42? 24, 42. I don't know, bro, but yeah, she retired. Yeah, but before that, me and my class had to like clean, like, I don't know, because like the class that was like, graduating like this school year, they threw like, like a graduation party of some sort, like and yeah, there were a lot of confettis, and like there was a lot of confetti and balloons and shit. So yeah, we had to clean it up, like my class and like some other classes, like 8th grade or something, and I was like, yeah, I don't know, like I accepted it, like, okay, we have to clean this shit. That ain't so bad. Like, to be honest, I didn't know what to do, I didn't know what to do, like, at that time. Like, I was barely doing shit, and I don't know. When the teacher told me and my bestie to, like, grab brooms and, like, sweep the floor, like, I gladly swept the floor, like, sweep the floor, swept the floor. I don't know, like, I was cleaning with the broom. I gladly did it because, like, I don't know, I had no shit to do, right? So, yeah, even my bestie was like, why do you even want to do this shit, like, clean? And I was like, bro, I need to do something. I have nothing else to do. Like, I don't know, I'm bored, okay? So, yeah, that's why I gladly did it. Yeah, that should be good. Oh, but I need this. Yeah, okay, so we washed the rice. I washed the rice now. So, oh my god. Grammar is so hard. I don't know. Ich habe den Reis gewaschen. I washed the rice. Yeah. God. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna add some salt, because, yeah, not that much, but yeah, just a little bit. Oh shit. Irgendwie habe ich das Gefühl, dass es wenig Reis. Aber, okay, the rice is cooking right now, now I gotta prepare the salmon. Yeah, so we got salmon up in this bitch. Yeah, I love salmon. Like, you know, like, for me, like, I like to eat rice with salmon because it always tastes good, you know? So, yeah, I like to cook it myself. Should I also, like, put my sleeves back on? Maybe no. No. Yeah, what else do we do today? Like, I had PE, and then, yeah, I had PE, like, in the 3rd and 4th period. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why am I saying I don't know that much. But yeah, we played some games, you know, and shit. Like ball games type shit. And yeah, low key, one of like the teacher, because like we have 2 teachers for PE. One of them was like sick, so like we had like a substitute of some sort. I don't know like who the other teacher was, but yeah, low key that bitch is so annoying. Like I don't know. Like we also had to like do like some running exercise. Like there were 6 people there and 6 people there, and they had like one of them had like the other group had like some object like a stick type shit, and then the first one has to run and give it to the next person, and then the next person has to run and give it to the other one, till like the teams like okay switch sides, you know. And then I don't know, like I don't know, that one teacher, like the substitute teacher, that's what I'm going to call her, like, she was so annoying, low-key. Like, my group wasn't, like, standing, like, in a straight line, you know? They were, like, standing somewhere. And then, like, when we stood in a straight line, the woman dead ass said, "Oh my gosh, congratulations, you can actually stand in a straight line." Bitch, what the fuck are you talking about? Bitch, I'm standing in the straight line. What the fuck is that bitch talking about? I swear, like, yeah, I could actually, like, stand in a straight line, but, like, these other bitches in my group couldn't. Like, they were, like, standing, like, this is a straight line, and then they could be standing like this, like, bro, are you deaf? She said, stand in a straight line, okay? And they were like, bro, and like when she said that, like, congratulations, you can stand in a straight line, I was so embarrassed, like, excuse me? The audacity of this woman, like, yeah, I don't know, like, that bitch, go to hell. I don't know. yeah, we have recess, and then we have ethics class, like ethics or ethic type shit. I forgot to bring my like ethic notebook and shit, you know, like my notebook for ethic heft. But we didn't really do anything. We tried to watch like a movie, but it didn't work because like we were loud as fuck again, and yeah, the teacher had enough of our bullshit, so we went outside, you know, like instead of watching the movie. Yeah. And then, you know, we were chilling outside. Like, me and my bestie were, like, chilling outside, doing random shit. Usually on Friday, like, when school ends at 1 p.m., and if I go to my bus, like, you know, to my bus stop, then the bus is already gone, like, you know? Like, I would have missed my bus, you know? But the thing is, hey, don't tell my teacher, okay? But like, you know, like I was super paranoid that I would miss my bus, you know. So I decided to like, you know, I'll go to the teacher and I'll tell her, so like, ma'am, I have to go to my bus like a bit early. Like, is it okay if I leave early? And then she was like, if then you can already like go, right? You know, like I could already go to my bus. And I was like, oh, okay, thank you. That's like, I don't know. Like, I technically lied to my teacher. Like, my bus leaves a bit earlier or something like that, but if I would go like at that time, then I was like too early. Like, basically I was low-key skipping school or like leaving school early, and I would have gotten in trouble. I would have gotten in trouble. But hey, the teacher told me that I could already go to my bus. So like I was like, okay, I'm going. Bye bye. Yeah. It's like I low key skipped school. Like I left school earlier, you know. But hey, at least I didn't miss my bus, right? I still made it to my bus in time, which is good. So, yeah. And that's mostly it, like, from school. So, yeah. Now I'm preparing the salmon. Like, this is how I low-key prepare my salmon, right? So first, I have my salmon, and then I'll add usually like lemon juice, you know. This is like lemon and ginger juice, but it won't make any difference. Yeah, and then I spread it across the salmon, and then I add some salt. And pepper. Spread it across. And then, what else? It's empty. Look. And then I'll get like, I don't know how it's called in English, but like, Dillspitzen. I don't know. Dillspitzen. I don't know. And yeah, and I'll sprinkle it on the fish, on the salmon. Now it looks like this. And now I'm going to repeat the process like on the other side. Like I'll flip it around. Add some lemon juice. Yo, I hope Gordon Ramsay approves of my cooking. Spread it around. Add salt. Bro, it's not even salt. It was the empty thing. Fischspitzen, bro. Add salt. Pepper. Spread it and Fischspitzen. Yeah, I prepared the fish. Now it looks like this, in a way. Now, hold up. Would that work? Maybe. I hope the freaking tablet doesn't fall down. Or no, this works too. Don't fall down. Okay, so now I'm cooking the fish. Okay, that would low-key be small. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we got a pan. And then I'll get like some butter, you know. Yeah, put some butter in the pan while it's heating up. Yeah, I'm waiting for the butter to melt. Okay, so the butter melted right now, which is good. I'm going to wait for a bit though before I put the fish in the pan. Okay, we're putting the fish in the pan. No, nah. Like suddenly, I could have actually done it while washing the rice. I have my sleeves on, and then I'm like, yeah, yeah. That works too. Wow. There's some butter that went on my shirt. So, don't think I did anything weird. Okay. Oh my god, chill. Pardon. Pardon. yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Another thing that I like to do is I add coconut milk with the salmon, so that it's like Loki like coconut milk sauce, you know. Shake well. Yeah, it's open, and then I'm gonna add this. Yeah. Nein, doch nicht 0. Yo, I might have cooking like next year, like next school year, you know. And you know, like apparently they're going to like do tests and shit. And like they're going to see like, you know, they're going to like see your cooking and shit, and then they will like, you know, give you a grade for that, you know. Like one of my friends, like, you know, did that shit, and like they didn't just like look at his cooking, but also like, you know, if you have long hair that you tie it in a ponytail, you already cleaned your cooking space type shit. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I might do that. I might have to do that as well. So yeah, kind of crazy. Yeah, I just flip the fish, you know, so that like it's kind of covered, you know, in the milk, and you know, like it has some taste, right? I sound kind of bland today, like I don't know. Yeah, right now I don't have to do much, you know. I just have to wait till the rice is finished, and if the rice is finished, then I can put the fish, you know, on the plate. Hold up, I'll already get plates. yeah. I don't want this video to go like for long, you know, like I don't know, this is basically like the cooking process. And yeah, I might post like how the food looks like, you know? So yeah, I think I'll end this video like around here. Thank you for watching me cook, I guess. Oh yeah, the rice will be finished in 10 minutes. And if 10 minutes is like, you know, then if the food is finished, then the video would low-key be like 1 hour long, and I don't really want that. So yeah, I'm going to end this video like right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me cook and yap for a little bit about my day. Yeah, comment, like, or subscribe if you want to. Yeah, I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I think I'll post the food, you know, like I'll show you like how it looks like when it's finished. So yeah, bye. I really have to take a piss.